Let's go, Cortese. Alright, let's roll out.
Sounded nice.
Let's go. Got the Scatpack sitting right there, guys. The brass monkeys on the back. What is going on, guys? Muscle Made back here with another video. As you guys can see, I got my charger right there. Got my friend's B5 blue charger, and yeah, you guys probably seen him on my channel. He had that black Challenger Scatpack, and yeah, he just got a B5 blue like me. So yeah, we both have muffler deletes on our cars, and the problem with that is the valves on the active exhaust, they rattle because I guess so much air going in, since it's like basically straight pipe, but not straight pipe, but it's more basically air coming through. So what you need to do is you need to tweak them and tighten them basically, so it doesn't like make that sound. Because when we're driving or on cold starts, it makes like a weird rattling noise. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. As you guys can see, you got both of the cars, you got the jack, you got some grease, and I'm just gonna be opening it up. We got 3 bolts down there, so we're gonna take you guys through the process, how to do it on your MOPAR, and yeah, let's get straight to it. First thing you're gonna need is a jack, and if you want more protection, just get a side jack. I'm gonna lift the car up, so let's start lifting it up. As I mentioned, you can either take the battery out, the negative terminal, or you can just take that. There's the fuse in the back on your Scatpack or your 5.7, and it's fuse number 36. So it's gonna be right there, and it's right in between. It'll show you on the diagram, but it's right in between that highlight 20 and the 5, the orange 5. It's at 15, so you just gotta take that out. So they give you a little yellow tool as well, take it out. So that just basically disables the whole active exhaust, so when you do mess with it, you don't get no check engine light or any other lights like malfunction lights. So yeah, it gives you that yellow tool to take it out. As you guys can see, got my sub back there too.
Use the gloves.
Cortese putting the gloves on. Cortese, that's your YouTube channel name?
Cortese. Follow me. Cortese.
With 2 E's, right?
CORTEEZY.
Alright, and Instagram?
I changed my name to Bluecina_RT.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Oh, that's her name, Bluecina.
Damn, pretty nice, bro, pretty nice.
I know. When I thought about it, I was
one of a kind. Alright guys, I'm about to go down there and show you guys the valves.
I'm gonna grab your.
Thank you, bro. Alright, so as you can see, it's right like before that muffler straight pipe. It's right over here, and it just got 3 8mm bolts, and just want to loosen them. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, this is the black basically the valves, and there's 3 screws, as I said. Once you open it, you got the spring on there, and then you got this thingy right here. This is what makes the valve open and close. So we're just gonna spray some grease on it. It's called white lithium grease, and it's like 2 sprays, Cortese?
Right.
Fun. Left hand. Is that good?
I can't see what. Oh yeah. Now start turning it.
Start turning it.
Yeah, the valve right there.
So it's supposed to be.
Make sure it gets in.
So it's supposed to be left, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I sprayed the grease on there. And then now I'm just gonna tighten it back up. So I got mine's done and I started it up. And yeah, it wasn't really making the noise. And we're doing his. And he's spraying the grease on there right now. Cortese.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, since yours is newer, it opened way easier. Way easier. Mine was old and kind of hot. Spray it on the sides too. And like just rub it around.
Should we get it all in here?
Yeah.
Oh well. That's good.
Yeah, then all you gotta do is basically open that black valve and just spray the grease in there. And then what you gotta do is you tighten it up more than the factory, because the factory is real loose. Like I just turned it once with the ratchet and it already started becoming loose. I can open it with my hand. That's how loose it was.
Oh, yeah.
So I tightened my Scatpack up much harder, and I guess that did the trick with some grease. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten it up right now. I'm gonna show you guys the spring and everything.
Oh shit! What happened to the towel? Oh, I got my hands all fucked.
Oh yeah, let me put my gloves on. So show them the spring real quick, just in case you guys would want to do this at home. The fuck?
Oh, I put it over there. You see it?
Where?
Top of it, right there.
All right.
Push
Okay.
it.
Alrighty, guys. So you got the spring right here. So you can see that yellow rubber piece. It's gonna attach onto that, and then the other side of the spring right there is gonna clip right in between that metal thing right there that has the grease all over it. So it's gonna clip in right in between that into these two little holes right here where my middle finger is, and right there. There's a little space right there for this part to clip on. So yeah, just gotta make sure of that and make sure it's 8 and 2. So 8 and 2 is like that. No, that's 12 and 2, right, Cortese?
No, I can't see it.
You had it at 8 and 2, right?
Yeah, the other way.
Okay, now it's 8 and 2.
Yeah.
So that's it. I'm just gonna take it out, spray the grease, make sure the spring is on the rubber piece,
Make sure you have an 8 and 2.
and then 8 and 2. So like 8 and 2 has like a clock, and yeah, put it back in there. Supposed to do that, right? The first time?
Supposed to do that the first time.
To open it, right? So it's an 8 and 2 at first.
It needs to open it up. That's now. It's while we're driving. That's the real thing.
Shit, you can drive it right here.
Take it off.
Floor it. Alright, let me give it a little rev. Alright, about to rev it. Yeah. Go. Go. It's all so loud, bro. I don't hear nothing down there going tick tick.
Clicking.
Yeah.
So we don't hear any clicking. So that's a good sign. Now we just need to test it out on the street.
Cortese.
Yeah. I don't know, the 5.7 seems like a deeper tone or something like that. We gotta do that video, boy. Muffler delete. Alrighty guys, so we got the cars done. So I guess basically the last thing right now is just to see basically how, if the exhaust does that clicking noise when you're, I guess, basically getting on the car. So we're just gonna drive it through here, see if it doesn't make that sound. But when we started mine's up and his up, it didn't really make a clicking noise. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Oh, sorry guys, I'm about to drive mine's around. And we'll just see if it makes that clapping noise.
It sounded great. Goddamn. Woohoo! Amazing.
Got both of the cars together, so yeah, we did that thingy on it, took the valve out, sprayed that grease in there, tightened mine's up, tightened his up more than the factory because it was pretty loose. And yeah, I mean, I drove mine's and it wasn't really making the noise, but his is still making, I guess, because I mean his is pretty new. How many miles you got on it, Cortese?
700 now.
700, yeah, so like he barely just got it. If you guys want to see any other videos with us too, just comment down below, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram. Instagram is Immune 5.0. Put it right over here. You can follow me there. If you guys got any questions or anything, shoot me a follow there. But yeah, if you guys want to see any other videos, this is a 5.7 RT, mine's a 6.4 Scatpack, and we both got the same color, so it's pretty cool. So if you guys want to see any future videos, just comment down below. But anyways, it's gonna be a wrap for the video. If you guys like the video, drop a like on the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and stay tuned to the channel. Got more mods coming for the 6.4 and more stuff coming for his car. Stay tuned with the 5.0 as well. But yeah, it's gonna be a wrap. About to go take some pictures and do some other stuff. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.